Hey guys, I'm HP, this is Dr. Pink, and today's topic is alternative rock guitar major chord ideas. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification button, and also join the HPCrazy Guitar Academy with a free member account or a premium member account. What are we talking about today? How to create something really ambient, alternative rock, stylish thing out of really simple chords C, G, and F, and this is how it will sound. And also stuff like this. And also probably a little bit of solo. Yeah, basically some ideas how to make something really simple C, G, F sound special, giving this is ambient, alternative rock guitar, stylish vibe into it. So let's get started. Okay guys, as I said, we just had the normal chords C, G, F, C, and G. But we're gonna make them sound more special. We want to get this grungy, deep sounding thing, and we create this by using these voicings here. What is this here? It's basically C5 with a G in the bass and the open G string. We grab it 3, 3, 5 and the open G string. And because we have the G in the bass, it sounds like a dropped voicing. Now we switch to G, and we don't want to change too much in the chord, so the pinky stays, this goes down here, and the index goes in the second. This gives us a G. And this open string has this really nice ambient kind of, and if you create kind of, or if you work with delay, I switch it off now, you give some delay. And press against the guitar, make a vibrato on the tone, and together with the open string and the delay creates this really ambient type of sound. See? Then you move down this voicing here. First, third, A string open. Because we always have the open G string at the top, this gives the connection between the three chords. And back to C. And we might want to end up with something else than the G. We end up with this. Another G here, just here, the normal one basically. And this alone creates really a great vibe. Sounds really cool. Now we want to add some high notes, also using the little chords, just with 3 notes or 4. And I'm gonna take another sound here now. I've one here with a reverse delay on it, but you can add chorus or flanger, any kind of modulation effect works, or you create the chorus yourself. Oopsie, the guitar is a little bit out of tune. Can happen during a live live video recording. I always do my videos. So here we are back. So here, this is instead of a normal C to G to F, we take this add 9 is in the 10th, in the 7th, middle finger in the 8th, and okay. Somehow it doesn't really sound in tune. Maybe I need to replace the strings. But for this I don't have time now. But you see what I'm doing here. Then to G. Here G 9, 7, 8, pinky here in the 10th. To F you can keep this one, or you just make open string. And you create this natural chorus effect just by, so you press against the guitar and give this slight effect. I exaggerated a little bit, but this gives a really nice add to the whole thing. So that can work, or you probably take another sound for that. Now if you want to do a solo, we're now in major. And what I have here, a lot of delay, even a multi-delay, there are several delays. Let me set it on the track of the speed of the song. So these are like 4 different delays, but you can also choose just on the quarter note. And now you just follow the chords. C again, to G, to F. You can also do the same thing as before with this distorted. Same with the chords, or you use this as a follow-up between the, I'll show you. It's really simple. That's already enough to do this. Really cool. There was one trick which I want to share. This one, I really love this one here, and really fits in the genre. You just make the normal, I mean, I'm just using the C major scale here. And now I make a hammer on 5, 7, 5, 7. Now I make a lettering. And I make this effect again, press against the guitar and pull it away. It's really a cool effect and fits perfect in this genre here. And then you can use double stops like for the G here, 8, 7 and F, 6, 5 and so on. Yo guys, this was probably quite a crazy tutorial and fits to my channel name, HPCrazy. I just wanted to share some other views on the really normal chords C, G and F, which you probably all already have played, and just ideas how you can play totally different, create a total different vibe by using different voicings of the chords, different effects and playing techniques. And I really do this effect a lot, you know, like, and I press against the guitar and I pull the tone away. See how the effect is? And together with the, if you have a strong delay on it, it gives this whoa, it resolves out in the into infinity. It's really cool effect, and it probably fits best in alternative rock guitar, but probably in any other genre where you want to just sound different, okay? What also makes a difference, you can overdo the pulling away that the tone gets out of tune, and this gives a special, this oomph effect, you know? See, I pulled it out of tune. This gives a special oomph effect if you want to get kind of a steampunk vibe or whatever you think about this. And these are ideas, you know, sound is created in your head, in your mind, and not on the guitar. I mean, many players are saying that, and it is like that. Sound is created in your mind, and if you want to create a sound which is out of the normal box, you know, then just try to get this in your mind. See, I really overdid it now. Yo, these were a few ideas which I wanted to share to you. I'm pretty curious what you think about this tutorial, because I want to bring in more stuff like that, you know, different ways of expression, not always doing the normal stuff, you know, because the normal stuff is overplayed way too much, and just some other ideas how you can express yourself on guitar. And let me know what you think about this tutorial, and if you want to download this cool backing track plus the tabs of the chords, it's available in the HPCrazy Guitar Academy. If you want to discuss more details about this, please join there as a free member and discuss it there. And if you want to download the stuff, please make a premium membership upgrade also to support the work, which means that to think or doing for the guitar community. So, see you guys.